The flagship Nissan Navara Pro-4X is designed for drivers who want serious off-road capability without sacrificing style, comfort, or advanced equipment. The Pro-4X stands out with bold, purpose-driven styling, highlighted by a unique front grille surrounded with lava red-orange accents. It rides on 17-inch matte black alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, complemented by rugged wheel arch moldings with matching red highlights. Black roof rails and a black Navara tailgate badge with red detailing further reinforce its tough, athletic presence. Inside, the Pro-4X cabin delivers a refined yet sporty atmosphere. Dark finish air conditioning trim is paired with leather-accented seats featuring orange stitching and suede bolsters, while the leather-accented steering wheel carries matching contrast stitching. Pro-4X logos are embossed on the front seatbacks, and black-painted inner door handles combine with lava red-orange accents across the center console and door trims to create a cohesive, premium interior design. Reflecting its lifestyle-focused positioning, the Pro-4X is the only Navara grade to include a towbar as standard equipment. Technology is a strong focus across the Navara range. A 9-inch advanced infotainment system comes standard, offering digital radio, Android Auto, and wireless Apple CarPlay for seamless smartphone connectivity. Wireless smartphone charging is also included, conveniently positioned within the lower instrument panel. Drivers benefit from a 7-inch color TFT instrument display, providing clear and intuitive vehicle information. Australian customers additionally gain access to My Nissan Navara connected car services, which include remote climate control, emergency call functionality, stolen vehicle tracking, and remote door locking and unlocking. Power across the new Navara lineup comes from a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine producing 150 kilowatts of power and 470 newton-meters of torque, paired with a wide-ratio 6-speed automatic transmission. The Navara is available with advanced four-wheel drive systems designed to adapt effortlessly to changing driving conditions while balancing performance and efficiency. On applicable grades, the Easy Four-Wheel Drive Selector dial allows drivers to switch smoothly between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes. Select variants also feature 7 terrain modes: normal, eco, gravel, snow, mud, sand, and rock, enabling drivers to fine-tune engine response and traction control to suit virtually any surface.